Video consultation access for patients. Your healthcare provider can use Accurx to offer video appointments for patients who don't need a physical checkup. The healthcare professional can decide if a video consultation appointment suits you. Why choose a video appointment? There's no need to travel to the clinic, which saves you and your loved ones time and money. Connecting remotely also helps the environment by reducing travel emissions. What do I need for it to work? A smartphone or computer with a working Wi-Fi signal or stable mobile data connection. Your internet browser needs to have your phone or PC's microphone and camera enabled. You can alter this in your device settings. How it works. When your healthcare provider is ready to see you, they'll send over an invite message. This can be sent to you by either SMS, text, or email. When you receive the invite, select the Accurx link in the message. This will redirect you to the web browser. You'll be asked to test your microphone. Please select the test button and allow for the microphone to be accessed and checked. When the mic test is complete, select the Click to Continue button. The video call service may ask to request permissions to enable your camera and microphone. Please select Request Permissions and allow access so you can be seen and heard during the call. The healthcare professional should be waiting for you in the call to start your consultation. If you need any help with this, you can chat to our support team over live chat on the website support.accurx.com. You can also email the support team support@accurx.com.